Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing my goals for 2025. I'm so excited for the new year. I have some really exciting plans coming up this year. And yeah, I'm hoping that I can make all of my goals come true. Now, I feel like I will probably add to these throughout the year. But yeah, whatever, we're just going to talk about them. And yeah, okay, so the first one is I am to do with all the house stuff. I will owe my sister a little bit of money, and after we pay her that money, then it'll make things a lot easier for us. So one of my goals is to pay back my sister. The second thing is to get an IKEA wardrobe. I really like them and I want one in the bedroom, so I feel like that'd be really nice. These three goals are kind of like interchangeable. So I'd either like to get our floors done, our bathroom done, or save up a little bit of money like to put towards house projects. I really want to start some renovations this year, but I also know that like it's our first year paying a mortgage and things like that. So I feel like I know that we're not going to be able to get all of that done in a year, or at least like at this point we won't. If I start making some more money on Patreon and things like that, then it's a possibility, but like standing at this point right now, we wouldn't be able to get all of those things done this year, but I would like to do at least one of them. So they're all on there so that I can aim for at least one of them. I'd really like to empty 150 products. This was a goal last year and I didn't get there, but I really think I can do it this year. Especially I want to, be a bit more, I'd like to try and wear makeup more and burn more candles and things like that. I kind of just want to feel like I want to live, not just be alive, you know what I mean? I would really like to post on shorts every day, and I would also like to vlog every day on TikTok. I really want to upload 3 times a week on Patreon. I want to do 31 days of Halloween again. I've done it once before, so I know we can do it again. And I really want to do my SFX Sundays series, Special Effects Sundays series, so that's coming up soon. I want to read 50 books. I do have a weight goal on here. I have another savings goal. I would really like to get 55 million views on YouTube. I would like to have uploaded 2,000 videos by the end of the year. I really want to, like I said before, spend more time like living, not just being alive. You know what I mean? I want to put more effort into my appearance. Like by that I mean, I feel like most of the time if I'm going out with like friends or whatever, like I'll just chuck on whatever. Whereas, I feel like I'd like to start like, dressing cute and wearing the shoes that I like bought, and I still haven't worn, and doing my makeup more and things like that. And I really like to do self-care daily. I often let my skincare like go to the wayside and things like that. So those are my goals at the moment. Like it's hard to, I feel like I've got a very specific idea for how I would like to live this year. And I'd really like to make some positive changes and things like that. I also really want to get a vision board, so I think I'm going to do one of those and hang it up in my studio so that I can be motivated. I never got around to doing my vision board last year, so I guess it's just small things like that I would really like to do. I also kind of want to create like a little bucket list, but I don't know, we'll see if I don't know. I also don't want to bite off more than I can chew either, because I know that we're going to have a massive year. Like I said, it's our first year paying a mortgage and things like that. So yeah, those are some of my 2025 goals. I'd love to know down below what your goals are for 2025. But yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a great new year. I am so excited for this year. But yeah, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.